Hi there. In this video, we're going to cover how to create a professional company profile in Canva. Whether you're a small startup or an established business, having an impressive company profile is essential. It acts as a snapshot of your business, showcasing your mission, values, and what sets you apart from the competition. With Canva, you have the power to design this vital document with ease and flair, even if you're not a design expert. Now, let's dive right in and unpack the process of crafting a compelling company profile using Canva. Canva is an incredibly versatile design platform that offers a plethora of templates and customization features tailored to meet all your branding needs. So let's get started. First things first, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're there, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Professional Company Profile. This search will yield a variety of pre-designed templates specifically crafted for creating company profiles. These templates serve as an excellent foundation because they are designed to meet professional business standards while being entirely customizable to cater to your unique requirements. Take a moment to browse through these options. You're searching for a template that not only looks appealing, but also aligns with your company's style and the message you wish to convey. When you find one that resonates with your vision, click on it to see a preview. This preview allows you to get a feel for the layout and the design elements it encompasses. If it meets your expectations, go ahead and select Customize this template. This action will open the template in Canva's design editor, a powerful tool that enables you to make the template truly your own. Now, it's time to personalize the template with your company's details. Click on any text box within the template to start editing. Highlight the placeholder text and begin typing in your information. Be sure to include crucial details like your company's name, mission statement, services offered, and contact information. This section is your opportunity to emphasize what makes your company unique and why your audience should take notice. Feel free to adjust the font style, size, and color to align perfectly with your brand identity. Next, to ensure that your company profile stands out visually, incorporating your own images and graphics is key. This is where Canva's Uploads feature becomes incredibly valuable. On the left-hand panel of the editor, you'll find the Uploads tab. Click on it, and then select the Upload Files button to bring in images directly from your computer. These could include your company's logo, product images, or any other relevant visuals that enhance the profile's appeal. Once uploaded, simply drag and drop these images onto the template, replacing the default images with your own. This not only makes the profile more professional, but also adds a personal touch that reflects your brand's true essence. Adjust the size and placement of these images as needed to ensure a balanced and visually appealing design. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've just crafted a professional company profile that effectively mirrors your brand's image. Canva simplifies the process of finalizing and downloading your design, so you can start sharing it with your audience immediately. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to create a professional company profile in Canva. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.